this is a real opportunity to completely rethink services from the ground up.
The impact of AI and automation, if done right, I think has a huge future, especially with local government reorganisation, with Devolution coming into place, councils merging. Currently they're acting independently, which means they have their own systems for every service area, like planning, like council tax, like housing. There's a huge scope there for designing services from the ground up, from start to finish, that work a lot better and more efficient, save the council a lot more money, but also at the same time drive a huge increase in customer satisfaction. So I think AI and automation is going to play a huge part in that.
Devolution is interesting, and it's actually something I've been asked about in the pub by customers and things like that, what it means for Invuse, and I think it's really exciting for us. So essentially Devolution will be taking the existing council model and reorganising it. Now, there are pros and cons to it, and I can go into that in great detail if people want, but some of the biggest pros that I see is that all of that resource and that knowledge and experience coming together to create truly transformational digital experiences. And this is a real opportunity to completely rethink services from the ground up. So, you might have 3 councils who each have a different approach to housing, for example. Obviously, they still have to work within the same legislation, but their application process, the systems they use, how they manage those applications could be really different.
LocalGov Drupal has the real power to help deliver that. But all of this stuff needs to be driven by user research. You need to be speaking to all of the different stakeholders from the different councils that are merging together, also the different residents from the different councils, because councils have independently been serving their own smaller pool of residents, and now they're coming together to serve a bigger pool. Not every resident has the same challenge with their council, that regardless of where you are in the UK, or if you're in the same region, not every resident is the same. So these councils coming together give us an opportunity to really get an understanding of what the true challenges are, where the key improvements are for all residents across the UK, and gives us a chance to start with a blank piece of paper. It's not as easy as that. I know there's a magnitude of data migration and security concerns and applications being moved left, right and centre, but it's a real great opportunity, especially for Invuse, to kind of imprint our user-centred approach to everything, including web development and AI and automation, to start blank, design from the bottom upwards, and make it a real user-centred service area for the whole council in each service area from start to finish.